This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Terri Thornton. Remodeled Cottage in downtown Union Point. This home has 4 bedrooms / 2 baths with all new flooring, ceiling fans, and closets and baths. Nice floor plan where main bedroom can be separate from other bedrooms. The home has new HVAC, metal roof with 2 covered porches and a deck on the back. Sits on a corner lot with privacy fence on. 204 acres. For more information, review the details below or contact Terri Thornton at 706-252-8020.